In the Arctic, during the summer, a phenomenon called the midnight sun occurs where the sun never sets. For several weeks, from May to July, residents in areas near the North Pole experience continuous daylight. This is due to the tilt of the Earth's axis, which causes the northern part of the planet to remain constantly illuminated during the summer months. This phenomenon has a significant impact on the rhythm of life, especially for animals and plants that must adapt to the constant light. Deep Dive Dubai is the deepest swimming pool in the world, reaching an incredible depth of 60 meters. This massive pool is filled with over 14 million liters of water and offers divers a unique underwater experience, including exploring a submerged city. Opened in 2021, it quickly became a popular destination for diving enthusiasts. The pool is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to ensure the safety of divers at all skill levels, attracting visitors from around the globe. Owls are famous for their extraordinary ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. This allows them to observe their surroundings without moving their entire body. This is possible due to the special structure of their neck vertebrae. They have 14 cervical vertebrae, while humans only have 7. Additionally, their circulatory system is designed so that blood flow to the brain is not interrupted, even with extreme head movements. The blood vessels in their necks are flexible, which prevents them from being damaged, enabling owls to have this incredible mobility. In countries located near the Arctic Circle, such as Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland, winter days can last just a few hours. In extreme cases like northern Norway, the day may last less than 3 hours, and in places like Tromsø, there is the phenomenon of the polar night, where the sun does not rise at all for several weeks. This occurs because of the tilt of the Earth's axis, which causes the northern hemisphere to be tilted away from the sun during the winter, shortening daylight hours significantly. Emus, the large flightless birds native to Australia, have a unique leg structure that makes it impossible for them to walk backward. Their legs are designed for fast forward movement, but they lack the flexibility needed to move in reverse. Similarly, kangaroos cannot walk backward due to the shape of their knee joints. These two animals are symbolic of Australia, as their forward-only movement represents progress and advancement. Waitomo Caves in New Zealand are famous for the remarkable phenomenon of bioluminescence, created by thousands of glowworms. These small creatures emit a blue-green light, illuminating the cave interiors and creating a spectacular effect that resembles a starry sky. The glowworms produce light to attract insects, which get trapped in the sticky threads they hang. Bioluminescence in caves is rare, but creates an unforgettable experience for those lucky enough to witness it. Although oxygen is essential for life, it makes up only 21% of Earth's atmosphere. The majority of the air, around 78%, consists of nitrogen, an inert gas that doesn't participate in respiration. The remaining 1% is made up of other gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, and trace amounts of various compounds. These specific proportions enable life on Earth, and any significant change in the composition of the atmosphere could have catastrophic effects on living organisms. Dolphins are highly intelligent and social creatures, and one proof of this is their ability to give themselves names. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, which acts as a name, allowing them to be recognized by other dolphins. Dolphins use these specific sounds to communicate within their group, and they can even remember the names of their companions for many years. Studies show that these signature whistles are unique and non-replicable, making dolphins one of the few species to use such advanced communication systems. Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, is the world's oldest and deepest lake. It is over 25 million years old and reaches a depth of 1,642 meters. Lake Baikal contains around 20% of the world's surface freshwater, making it one of the most important freshwater reserves on Earth. Its waters are incredibly clean and rich in oxygen, and the lake's ecosystem is home to many unique species, including the famous Baikal seal, the only freshwater seal in the world. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest part of the Earth's oceans, reaching a depth of 11,034 meters at a point called the Challenger Deep. If Mount Everest were placed inside the trench, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers below the ocean surface. Due to the immense pressure at such depths, very few organisms can survive there. However, scientists have discovered unique life forms that have adapted to these extreme conditions, making the Mariana Trench one of the most fascinating areas for biological research.